In this video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Minecraft world in Bedrock Edition. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This will work for any version of Minecraft Bedrock. All you have to do is after signing in, click on the play button and go to the Worlds tab. Find a world that you want to back up on the Bedrock Edition and click the little pencil icon at the right side of the world. You will be taken to the edit page for that world, and all you have to do is, on the main menu, select Game from Edit Settings and scroll all the way down until you find these two options. You have the option to copy the world, to duplicate it and make a new world exactly like this one, or Export World. To properly back up your world, just select Export World and the Windows File Explorer will open. You can now choose a folder to save this world to, and as long as you keep this file saved, as you can see here, World Export finished successfully, you can take this anywhere you want and store it in a safe place. You can open this file up with Minecraft in order to load up the world again. I hope I was able to help you on how to back up a Minecraft world in the Bedrock Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.